Magda Purice from Business Review. I want to ask you first, how much did you buy so far since the year started? In which kind of deals and what is the amount?
How much did I buy myself or how many transactions?
As a company.
As a company, we have invested so far about 1.9 million euro, and we are ready to continue furthermore. When we find good properties, we are able to continue furthermore.
And in which kind of properties?
Income properties only. My clients have invested also in lands, etc. And because I had two major transactions this year, we were the consultants for one deal of 20 million and one deal of 37 million euro. We have exceeded so far 70 million this year. But this was, let's say, due to the very high volume of these two transactions.
Do you think that distressed assets or properties are a good opportunity to invest?
Distressed. Depends. Depends. Not everything is the same. Case by case. I will give you an example. I have some offers. I do not do residential too much anymore. I was doing it up to Easter. I stopped from 1st of May, okay? So I have some offers for residential blocks with 600 euro per square meter, 700 euro per square meter, whole block, 50, 100 apartments, okay? But I don't consider it a good opportunity. I don't suggest it to my clients because the quality of construction is, I don't want to comment, okay? The location is bad. The surfaces are not correct. So in the end of the day, the price is attractive, but I wouldn't like me or any of my friends, or my Romanian friends, to live there, so I cannot propose it to anyone to buy as an investment. So it has to do also with what kind, for which property is this, okay? It's not everything that is distressed doesn't mean that it's good. I can tell you a story. I will write in my blog a story regarding a property in the north, right after the airport. The price before the crisis was 80 to 120. Now it's about 50 to 60. A guy offered to me with 30 land, okay? Intravilan with PUS approved, with utilities, etc. So, as I understood, he proposed the same land to a friend of mine with 18 optis prezece. Okay? So, he didn't know that I know almost all the Greeks, and not only, so he couldn't. Anyway, so that guy didn't buy with 18, and after 2 months, I was just trying to help the seller to sell. I found a client who offered him 10 so as to not to do the deal, to avoid the deal. Okay? He called me and he told me, look, for 10, I don't sell it, I'm not interested. Then he called me back in half an hour and says, I discussed with my wife. Always wives are the wise voices of the family, yes? Women are always the voice of logic. So she said, if this is the fate of our property to be sold for 10 euro per square meter, we sell with 10. I said to my client, and he said, I wouldn't like to buy, but now I gave my word. Anyway, we go on and we find legal problems. And my client says, look, for these legal problems, I step back. The guy says, oh, no, please give us a price. My client says, 6. And so as to undertake the risk. And the risk was that the company which is selling, etc., could just leave the country by declaring bankruptcy. And he was afraid, my client, that he would lose his money. The property will have to return back to the company and so on for the debts. So when the guy said 6 and the other accepted, my client says, look, if he accepts even with 6, this means that definitely he will declare bankruptcy, so I'm not buying. So 6 euro per square meter in an area that last year we are talking on the lake with utilities and everything, okay? It's the meaning of the word distress. So I didn't find any client, and not only me, I said this property to many friends, nobody found a client for this property. And it is a property which is right after the airport, not 20 kilometers as you go to nowhere. So distress from distress is not the same. Every time we have to identify a property. Plus, I want to tell you there are some properties, you know, real estate is also luck. Except all the rest, it's also luck. So there are some properties that have negative vibes, how can I call it? They are in the market for 2-3 years, The owners didn't succeed to sell when they were giving them the moon and the stars, and now they are struggling to sell for nothing, and people say, you must pay me so as to buy your property. So it's case by case.